On today's body cam, we're checking out drunk girl on golf cart arrested after family feud.
I'm a psychology pre-med student. It's mother, you know what? It's people like you.
Stop making it soon.
This is Isabella. Callers reported she was drunk and causing a disturbance. When officers showed up, they found Isabella on a golf cart with her grandpa.
That's my granddaughter. Okay, so you'll take care of her?
Yeah,
I'm trying to.
Waiting on a ride to go home.
She caused my shit in the house, so.
Does she live with you?
No.
Was she visiting you?
My daughter's wedding, okay? She consumed too much shit, more than likely.
Oh, I can assume.
But what's the issue here?
How do I go
She
about
won't shut up.
charges?
Okay, and, I mean, do you have a drunk tanky? No.
Stupid dramatics.
Hold on to that, be right back.
I'm not just wasted, bro. It's called emotional abuse. I would like to be informed of how I could press charges
For what?
for being held against my stupid ass fucking will.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Okay. So, you're free to go anywhere you like.
Yes, and I haven't been able to be free wherever the fuck I want.
I mean, you're down here for your sister's birthday, right? I mean, wedding. I'm guessing. Okay. When's the wedding?
It was today.
So what happened?
It's nothing important.
Were you guys yelling at each other or anything? Or?
Probably so.
Yeah. So whose golf cart is this? Is this your grandpa's? Yeah.
I just want to go home.
You just want to go home to San Antonio?
I'm gonna get in trouble for this.
In trouble with who?
With the adults.
You mean your family members?
I just want to go home.
What time is your flight?
Oh, what time is your flight?
At 11.
At 11?
Look.
Maybe
You gotta
5.
be at the airport probably at 9 o'clock, right?
Yeah, I don't want to be.
You don't want to be here anymore, but you got 7 hours.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now, so.
And if I want to press charges on a idiot.
What crime do you have in mind?
Physical abuse.
Okay, who's physically abusing you and how?
Worse.
Me?
Tuesday?
She's due to leave it Thursday, okay, but I'm going to try and get the flight changed till today.
I hate them.
Okay.
I literally hate
They're your family.
hate.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
family doesn't mean shit.
Okay.
I hate them.
Okay.
I didn't call you.
No, I know you didn't call.
I don't understand why this is happening.
You're her grandfather, right? And you're her uncle. Okay.
Uncle and grandpa look nothing alike. Too many drinks. I mean, everybody loves a good wedding. I ain't gonna lie. You get to drink on other people's dime. Sounds like a great time, right? Until you drink too much, man. Unless something has really gone on, because she said she's gonna get in trouble with the adults. I don't know what she means by that, because she is an adult, but I mean, I'm sure she's talking about her elders. Did something happen at the wedding? Or are you just really intoxicated and can't control your emotions?
Can you guys tell me a little bit what's going on? Obviously, she's in trouble.
She come home. My daughter got married today.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thanks. There was some underlying issues maybe at the wedding.
Okay.
Just petty stuff though, right? When my daughter got home, she says, she's this, she's that. So they left her, right? She didn't want to come home. My girlfriend says, you'll feel bad if you leave her down there. And I said, so I wake him up. We go down to Sloppy Joe's. We drag her ass out of the bar. My concern is that she won't come to the house without keeping her mouth shut and going to bed. I came down here to try to talk sense to her. She's hard-headed. She's gone in the morning. She's not welcome here.
I understand you having a fallout with your family.
How
I
do
get
I
that.
go about pressing charges?
Okay, well, no, hold on a second. Let me run something by you and tell me what you think. Okay, Bella? Mm-hmm. What if you would get a hotel room by yourself?
No.
You don't want a hotel room by yourself?
I don't care anymore what the going on. They need to.
You don't want to go back to where they're staying, right? Right, so why wouldn't you want to get a hotel by yourself?
Because they still need to press charges for it.
But what is it that you want press charges on?
I don't, the principle doesn't matter, like.
The principle
touch me. That's a principle of the fact side.
So you don't think it'd be best for you to get a hotel room until your
Nope.
flight took off? Well,
Nope.
so then where would you want to stay then?
I would like to stay
Where?
with my uncle, my father, my grandfather, and I would like to press charges.
Okay, so you want to press charges, and then where do you want to stay?
My uncle,
You want to stay
I
with?
can to get the fuck out. Like,
you wanna stay
why
with
does
your
no
uncle?
one respect me and understand me? I would like to press charges on this stupid. I do not want to be here.
Okay.
Who's
so
she
you
pointing
don't wanna
at?
Be here, and they're getting a
I'm not
plane.
leaving without pressing charges.
Without pressing
Sorry.
charges on what? Like what do you want to press charges on? Like
Are you
what?
serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
You weren't here.
No, I wasn't here. That's why I'm
Okay,
asking you.
Well, I got grabbed, I got pushed, and etc.
You got grabbed and you got pushed by who?
My uncles.
By your uncles? So there's
Yeah.
more than one uncle?
Yeah,
Yeah, and what caused them to grab you and push you?
maybe, I don't know. Me not wanting to leave right away.
Do you have any marks on you? Do you have any marks on you?
Of course.
Here, do you have any marks on you? Show me where he grabbed you. Like, was it on your arms?
You are the reason why the justice system is f***ed up.
Well, show me where he grabbed you. Where did he grab you?
You think I have to be grabbed by force?
Well, that's kind of what you're telling me, yeah.
She literally just said that. She said you was grabbed and pushed you. That's literally what she was saying. So if somebody grabs a hold of you, maybe there's some redness or, something to help out her case a little bit. But there's probably nothing. And she's probably making it out to be more of a bigger deal than what actually happened.
Obviously,
So
yes,
it wasn't
but
by
not
force?
Oh my god, you're not fucking leaving by force.
So then,
The
help me understand.
justice system is f***ed up, and I don't know. I'll be happy to show you whatever fucking pictures of you want of my body, and I'll be happy to press fucking charges on my uncle.
Well,
No problem.
okay,
But
so...
you're not going to do that. You're not going to.
Well, you're not helping
going
me.
to.
You're not helping me. You're telling me that he grabbed you. I'm saying,
What
where
do
did he
want
grab
me to
you?
Say,
I want you to tell me where he grabbed you. Where did he grab you?
Arms.
Okay, well, let me look at your arm.
Of course, there's no fucking marks on my
Okay, well,
arms.
yeah, there's no marks on your arm.
Yeah, of course, there's no fucking arm.
So then clearly you weren't hurt, right?
She's pathetic. she had too many lemon drops, okay? She had too many Long Island iced teas, man. She had too many Jack and Cokes, man. I don't know what's going on with her, man, but I get it on one end. Unwanted touching, that is a thing. But cops ain't locking up the old timer for that. You know what I mean? Both of the uncle, come on, you're the issue. You're the issue. So we trying to get you together. Act right.
Literally fucking pathetic. You're fucking pathetic. You are fucking pathetic.
Is it possible
Don't call me by my name.
Don't call you by your name? Miss, is it possible that you are just
No,
intoxicated?
it's not possible
No?
that I'm
It's not?
just being intoxicated. I do not with my family.
I think that you should take the offer of getting a hotel room by yourself and then get on your flight. So then what's your plan? You're going to sit out here all night?
I would like to press charges. Why are they not being proceeded with?
Okay, one, because there's no evidence of a crime.
Oh,
Okay.
there's no evidence of a crime? Look at the street cams. You didn't see me getting grabbed? Of course, because
No,
you weren't here.
we don't
'cause you're
have
a fucking
street cams.
police officer.
Yeah, no, I
Look
wasn't.
at the street cams.
We don't have street cams.
He said she punched you in the face.
You didn't tell me that.
Yeah.
So she punched him in the face?
You see her punching you in the face?
He come out and he said, listen, you got to calm down. And she took a swing at him. She hit him right in the fucking eye. My car didn't get a mark, but I saw it. Everybody saw it. The whole house saw it.
Sir, can you come here, please? Sure. So she hit you in your eye?
Oh, she popped me in the head, but I'm not going
can I
to
see?
start on that.
Can I see? Where did she hit you?
Oh, right here.
On that side?
Yeah.
I don't see anything.
I'm sure you don't. I take some good shots in it, you know.
Taking some good shots in your day.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that, but if I have to, I mean, it is what it is. We've been doing this for 2 hours.
For me, you don't want to press charges.
I don't want to break her. I just want to put her in a motel when she's quiet.
I need you to step off that golf cart for me.
For what?
I need you to step
It's about to go down.
off for me, please.
What?
I need you to step off the golf
If you
cart
don't tell me why I'm not getting off.
because I'm telling you.
What? For what?
Isabella, please.
For what?
Isabella, please.
For what?
Isabella,
Am I
need you to step
going
off
to
the.
jail?
I need you to step off the
For
golf cart.
what?
I need you to step
For
off the golf cart.
what?
Isabella.
For what?
Step-
For what?
Isabella.
For
Don't
what?
resist.
What did I do?
Don't
I
resist.
didn't do anything.
Isabella.
What did I
Don't resist.
do?
Isabella.
What did I do?
Come on. Let's go. Come on. Enough.
What did I
Come on.
do?
Okay,
What
bye.
did I do? Papa, what did I do? No. I will never fucking forgive you for this shit.
You said you hate him, so why would you want to forgive him? Let's
I
go.
don't hate him. I hate him as an
Okay,
Eddie.
okay.
Where are you going with me? Where are you
Do you have any shoes, sir?
Where are you going with me? Where are you going with me? Where are you going with me? Where are you going with
Stop.
me?
Let's put her in the car.
Where are you going with me? Papa, what are you doing? Papa, what are you doing? What are you Papa? What are you doing? Papa!
Stop making a scene. Have a seat. Have a seat.
No, what are you doing? This is
Put your
not
hat.
right.
Put your hat.
This is not right. This is not right, Papa!
Get a seatbelt on. Palm up 195. One adult female, 1015.
Sorry she gave you shit, man.
It's okay.
Part of the job, right?
Yeah, it's part of the job.
I just wanted to be safe.
Well, look, Big Shirley gonna take good care of her. She gonna be safe, man. She gonna be safe. Big Shirley got her. She new, fresh meat, and she from out of town. Oh yeah. They waiting on you.
Please, I may get angry and have an attitude, but I would never hurt him. I would never hurt him. I don't know why they're saying that. I swear to you, please look at the street cameras. I would never hurt him. He's my best friend. He's all I have. I would never hurt him. I beg of you, please, 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 please. He's my
Hey, what type of camera angles he want? Wait, who is this guy and what type of camera angles he got going on?
everything. I am trying to get my education, please. This will go on my record. Please, this will go on my record. Please offer me other options, please. I beg of you at my hands and knees, please.
Now you want other options? They told you to get a hotel.
Sit back.
You need to step out.
Step out.
Listen to the other officer,
I'm not going
please.
to be able to become what I want to
You will be. You will.
No, I
You will.
won't.
This.
Come on.
Yes, you will.
Please, please.
I promise you, you will.
Please, 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 please.
Please go with the other officer and the deputy.
Please.
Bella.
I just want to become a psychiatrist.
You still can.
No,
You still. I promise you,
not
you
after
can.
this,
Yes,
not
you
after
can.
this, not
Yes, you can.
She was charged with battery, touch or strike, a first-degree misdemeanor in Florida. She pled not guilty, and over the next 2 months, both sides exchanged discovery and the court granted a continuance. Then, 2 months after the arrest, before the case went to trial,
Getting dropped.
prosecutors formally dismissed the battery charge.